Okay, class 3, in this video we will learn about the various things we can do with our document practically, and then we will move on to theoretical part. Now in the page number on the page number 41 it is given how to select text. There are various ways of selecting text using mouse and using keyboard. By using mouse, what you can do, you will just take the cursor wherever you want to select the text and you will drag the cursor like you do for drawing. So it will be selected like this. Okay, it will be selected like this. Why we need? Because when we want to make any changes in the text, at that time we can do the selection. Like suppose I want to make changes in this content. Okay, I want to increase the size, so I will increase the size from here, let's say to 28, and it will be done. Rest of the text is unaffected and only the text that I have selected is changed. Okay, now there are various ways of selecting. This was using mouse. Now what you can do is you can use various combinations which are given in the book, like shift plus home, control plus A. Let's use control plus A. Where is control? Control is here. One control key is given here and one control key is given here. Okay, so we will use control plus A and let's see what happened here. Control plus A. The text, the entire document will be selected as it is given in the book. Okay, now if you want to unselect it, what you will do, you will click somewhere else, so it will not be selected. Then it is given you can use shift plus arrow keys. So shift keys, along with shift keys, arrow keys are given here. Okay, so we can use shift plus arrow keys. Suppose we have taken here the cursor and we will use shift plus the arrow towards right side. So what will happen, it will start selecting like this. Okay, see, I am pressing along with shift, I have pressed this key. Okay, so it is getting selected here. Can you see? This way we can use shift plus arrow keys, and similarly you can use other combinations which are given in the book here. Okay, we will go through once when we will study about them theoretically. So this was about selecting text. Now how to delete text? Simple. If you want to delete some word, you can press backspace key. It will start deleting from left side towards the left side, from right to left it will start deleting. Okay, I am using this backspace key. And if you want to press using delete key, you can use using delete key also, like you keep it here, so it will delete the entire text which is written towards the right side of the delete key, that is C. Okay, till the place where it is given there. Okay, then you can use mouse also. Suppose you want to delete this whole line, so you will drag it and it will be, if you press backspace or delete, it will be deleted. Okay, you can select using mouse and then you can delete it. So this was about the deleting text. Now how to save the document. Right now it is not saved, as I told you that when the document is not saved, here it will show document 1, document 2 or whatever the name and the name of the application. When you will save it, it will start showing the name of the document. So what are we going to do? We are going to save using this button, save as, because we are saving for the first time. So save as, when you click on the save as, it will show you this window. What we will do, we will click on the desktop because we will save our document on the desktop, and here we will give the name of the document. We will give testing document because we are doing it for testing, we are doing it for our practical work, we are learning it for first time. and then after giving the name you will click on save. Okay, now you can see the name has changed here. Can you see? The name has changed from document 2 to testing. Okay, so now whatever you have written here, it is saved. Suppose you want to write something else. Okay, you have written this. Now next time when you will save, what you will do, you will simply press on the save, because next time you won't give the name, you will simply press save. You can make as many changes in your document as you need to, and after once for the very first time you will use save as, and after that you will keep on giving save button. You will keep on pressing on the save button. Okay children. Now how to close the document. There are two ways to close the document. One is by we are going to this office button and here we can close. Okay, and one is by using this cross button, because this is our shortcut button. Okay, and if you remember, I saved it on the desktop. So after closing we will see if this will be appearing on the desktop or not. So I am clicking on this close button. Okay, I have this was document 1. In that I don't want to save any changes, so I have written no here. Okay, now we will search for our document, that is testing document we have made. Let's see where it is, testing. Okay, so we have found out our document. Testing document is here. Now if you want to open the document, because it is given how to open an existing document, so you can go to this button. If you remember the name, you can directly go here, or you can go to suppose you have already, I will show you first how to open from here. You will simply click on this, double click, and it will open the document. Another way is you go to MS Word application. Okay, we will go from here. You go to this office button, MS Office button, sorry, yes, okay, this office button. Here you will click on open. Okay, right now if you see, no document is opened here. Here you will click on open. Our document was saved here, desktop. Here we will search the name of the document. Okay, let's see the name of the document. See, this is the document, and here you will click on open. So it will open the document. These are the two ways in which you can open the document. And from here, next is, this was all about the opening, saving, etc. Now if you want to come out of this what to say, this application, you can close or exit from here. This is close, and you will be exit. After closing you will exit from here, and it will be back to desktop. Okay children, this was all about MS Word, an introduction, and in the next class we will study all these theoretically. The chapter is not over yet, because I have showed you the practical part. Okay, and I will take up the theory part in the next class. Thank you.